is the first gorgeous day we've had where we don't have to have heavy coats on. It's like 60s out here, so they are loving playing outside. He loves those little rain boots that we got in from Walmart. When we got here, we went to Walmart and got some boots for snow. And this kid just loves wearing them everywhere. It's so funny. You want to throw rocks more?
Yeah.
Back to rock time?
Yeah.
Okay. Back to rock time?
Yeah.
Okay. So I stand corrected. It's 56 out right now. And you might flirting and think, why don't they have jackets on? Because it was like in the teens a couple days ago. And so this feels like 70 to us. So it's a really rainy day here. And so Logan and I are playing Pat the Pig.
And I directed Mommy!
Okay.
You're first.
Me first, okay.
Okay. Now Mommy go get Pat!
3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. How many am I supposed to take?
3.
3, 4, 7, 8.
Oh, we got the same amount. Let's go get Pat. I'll go to later.
2 and 2 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. I don't like this game. I'm going to be popped. No, you did it on purpose. You made me pop up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 5, 6, 7. 4. Hey, you can't do that! You can't do that! You're cheating! You're going to take a lower number for yourself!
5, 6.
Good. Okay, 1 and a 4, 5.
You're getting the same amount.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay.
2 and a 1, 3.
1, 2.
Come on.
3.
There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you're gonna pop the pig. You're gonna pop the pig. 2. 1. Ooh, Mommy got 2. Ah! How are you winning?
Show me your hat. Great hat. Good job. How did you do that? How'd you do that? I want to know how you did that. Caleb, did you see her hat?
Yeah. Wait, I think it's supposed to go this way.
Oh, like Robin Hood?
Yeah, like Robin Hood.
And she's like, nope, that ain't the way. It goes sideways.
No.
This is a Ninja Turtle?
No, Ninja. Wait, Ninja.
Ninja go. Ninja go.
Oh, it's Ninjago.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, very
And
good.
just Nana.
Totally different ninjas, yes. Completely different.
And just Nana. Mommy, I got the whole thing.
Yes, very
Yeah,
good.
Yeah, they also do.
So,
And what'd you do, Katie? A boat? Say boat. Can you say?
Hat.
Oh, very good. Can you say boat?
No.
Can you say? Yeah, boat. Boat. What is that in Bengali?
How do you say it in Bengali?
Nunca?
Nunca.
Boat?
Wow, she just told us something in Bengali.
She sure did. And what do you have, Logan?
What do you got?
Let me see.
Oh, Logan. So beautiful.
Good job. What is that?
It's a rocket.
Was that a rocket? Yep.
Blasting off.
Blasting off. I knew that.
Very good.
Blasting the guy in his underwear all the way to Mars.
Oh,
The guy in
no.
ninja underwear?
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Yeah.
What is this?
I do it.
A what? A telescope?
Yeah.
A scope?
Scope. Hold it together.
Show time. Okay, Logan, this is time. We run
At
out
the
in
end,
1 minute. When it turns to 0 minutes,
Buy
you get double wins.
My
If you hit
Caleb's a
one,
pirate.
yeah. I buy it.
on
Dip
the
pill.
last minute, if
Oh,
you
no.
hit a balloon, you get twice.
Did it on purpose.
Wow!
Oh no.
Okay.
I'm the best, Pippi.
That's cute. Oh no. As you can see, we just stuck around the cabin today. It's been a busy few days and we're tired, and the kids just wanted to play some games and color and play Pop the Pig. Logan and Mommy had a good time playing Pop the Pig. That's an interesting little game. Logan got that for Christmas. Some of you probably noticed he got that back on the Christmas Day video, but it's been a nice little day around the cabin. So we hope you enjoyed this video and that you've been enjoying all of our vacation videos recently. We wanted to offer the opportunity for all of you to go back and check out our old videos. We have videos from over 4 years ago. We're talking when Caleb was younger than Logan, Logan was younger than Timmy, and Katie obviously wasn't on the scene yet. And they're very precious videos. We love to go back and watch them ourselves. It's just wonderful to take a trip down memory lane and see each kid when they were a little younger and just how cute they were. They're still cute, but it's fun to watch them at different times in their development. So we hope you will go back and look at those old videos, check them out, and we know you'll enjoy those too. Thanks for watching today.